Hi everyone, I am Ömer from OFG Animation Studio YouTube channel. Welcome back again. In this tutorial, as you see, we are going to delete the unwanted objects inside of a video. It is very easy tutorial. We will just use an effect built in Adobe After Effects. So before start tutorial, please make sure you subscribe the channel and like this wonderful video. Alright, let's get started. Here we are in After Effects. As you see, I have this video footage and there are 3 balloons on the sky. So I want to delete an object from this video. It is very easy to do. Just we need to grab the pen tool. You can grab rectangle or ellipse tool according to object in your video. I grab the pen tool and I want to delete this balloon. So I need to choose the area. So perfect, and we need to go to the mask and let's choose this one, subtract. You can increase the mask expansion but not too much, like 5, and feather as well, let's make it 10. Okay, good. Okay, we determined the mask area, so let's come to the here and mask path, create a keyframe for the first keyframe. Let's go a little bit on the timeline. So we need to grab this area and hide the object. So it is automatically generated a keyframe. Okay, let's move on. So let's choose and put it here. And let's go on. I think that is a good area that we have determined. Okay, perfect. When it is okay for the mask path, let's go to the window and here choose content aware fill. As you see, let's choose again. As you see, it is on the right side of the panel, and increase the alpha expansion as 4, 3 or 2 and choose the fill method as object because we want to delete the object inside of video. Okay, perfect. That should be strong because we want to have a strong lighting correction. And range is the like if you want to delete the object just in 1 second, you can determine the work area as it is and choose this one as work area. Okay, but I want to select the entire duration and this time I will delete this object on the whole of the video. Okay, perfect. The last thing we need to do, go here and click generate fill layer. So as you see, we have this analyzing area. So we need to wait a little bit time. It depends on your computer power. Alright, it is done. As you see, we have new layer on the layer panel. This is fill layer. So let's preview the video. As you notice, there is no this balloon object in this video. An amazing job we have did inside of After Effects. Before finish this video, I want to inform you that this deleting process depends on your footage. So if your footage has lots of movement inside of an object, it may not yield a good result. So keep in mind. Alright everyone, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, and if you have any questions, you can drop your questions on the comment section below. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. Until next tutorial, take care.